All right, the last piece of the puzzle, the exhaust. Full HMF blacked out elliptical system. Pretty much what I've been using for all the time I've been with HMF. Really like this setup. The elliptical versus the round. People ask a lot, what's the difference? The round pipe will be a little bit louder. The elliptical is a little quieter. So just for certain riding areas, I can't be super loud. But this one sounds great. Power wise, it's great. So not a problem. We do the black ceramic coating on the header, the blacked out coating, which is nice. And then we do the color matched exhaust. With the blue exhaust, we did the all blacked out one on the blacked out quad. So this one gets the blued out one. You guys have seen it before. Basically the same pipe that I have been using for quite some time. We have some spacers you guys got to keep in mind. If you're running an aftermarket link, then you will have to space this exhaust out more than what they give you. I use 3 of the spacers. They include 2. So you're going to have to do 3. Just keep that in mind. Otherwise it's going to hit the header will rub against the rear shock, and then eventually it will wear through it and you'll hear a funny noise like air leaking, and you'll be like, what the hell? And then you'll have a nice hole in your nice brand new exhaust. So don't let that happen, because it's not fun. And you can ask me how I found that out, because I found that out the hard way. Luckily it was an old exhaust, so it wasn't horrible, but it's definitely no fun. Now obviously every quad is different. Even these Yamahas, while they're the same, they are different. Maybe you can squeeze 2 spaces and get away with it. I've tried it with 2 and it's just a little too close for comfort, so I just do 3, and I'll show you guys a picture of that once this is all bolted up and tight, so you can see what I'm talking about. So I have probably about 3/8 of an inch of space between the exhaust and the spring. Now I could probably, I think I tried this on the black quad. I tried to go back to 2, and it's definitely, it definitely still rubs. So I just run 3 to be safe. Now we got this all together loosely. We're gonna start by tightening the exhaust, and then we can go back and tighten the header, and then we can tighten the exhaust clamp. That's why I like HMF. They give you a ton of options as far as colors go, so you can match your build. They give you also different end cap options, so it's very customizable. That's kind of why I like HMF. And power's fine. I know everyone argues over power, but honestly, you're only gaining, if anything, with a louder pipe, a horsepower at best, and it's probably not even that, but these things are fine. A lot of top guys run them, and if you like something else, then that's fine. It's not a big deal. This is what I like. This is what I run. So I've had DASA, I've had Big Gun, I've had FMF, and those were fine at the time. DASA is just crazy loud. I'm sure you guys know that. Make sure you just check the clamps on the exhaust bracket, because those can loosen up. They do not come super tight, so you're going to want to just tighten those before you are done. This is going to be tight. I might have to use an a ratchet. Actually, I might have to do it this way. Those 13 millimeters are tricky. Usually I have 12s, but I'm out of those. That's what comes on there, factory. But I don't have any more 12mm nuts. Might be able to fit this side. Yeah, this side fits. Fits now. We will double check all the nuts and bolts after as well. After this thing heats up, it'll loosen up a little bit maybe, so just go back and check it. Obviously, this being a brand new build, there's going to be stuff that loosens up, so we'll make sure to check it out. All right, this girl is ready to fire. Let's go. Pretty sure she's in neutral. She's in neutral. There's our start button right here. There we go. First start.